Hey, have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I just watched The Martian again. It's one of my all-time favorites.
Oh, I haven't seen that one. What's it about?
It's a science fiction film. The basic plot is about an astronaut who gets left behind on Mars by accident. He has to use his intelligence to survive alone on the planet.
That sounds really intense. I love a good survival story. What did you think of the new Spider-Man movie?
I thought it was fantastic. Tom Holland is a great actor. He really brings Peter Parker to life.
I agree. And the special effects during the swinging scenes were incredible.
Absolutely. The music was also perfect. It made the action scenes so exciting.
Did you enjoy the historical drama we watched last night?
To be honest, I wasn't a big fan. The story moved a bit too slowly for my taste. What about you?
I really liked it. I thought the acting was superb. I definitely recommend it if you like character-driven stories.
Maybe it just wasn't for me.
Have you seen both Jumanji movies, the old one and the new one?
Yes, I have. They are very different. The original is a classic fantasy adventure, while the remake is more of a comedy.
Exactly. I think both are good, but for different reasons. Robin Williams was brilliant in the first one. Where did you see the new action movie?
I saw it at the cinema with my brother last weekend. The sound was so loud, but it was a great experience.
Nice. I saw it at home on my laptop. It was convenient, but I'm sure the big screen was much better. Do you remember that famous scene from Titanic?
Of course. The I'm flying scene at the front of the ship is iconic.
Yes, and the quote, "I'm the king of the world." Everyone knows that one. What's your favorite movie genre?
I'm a huge fan of horror films. I like the adrenaline rush and the suspense.
Oh, I can't watch horror. I prefer comedies because they make me laugh and feel happy. I need something new to watch. Any recommendations?
Sure, if you like romantic comedies, you should check out Crazy Rich Asians. It's really funny and sweet.
Thanks. I'll look for the trailer online right now. I'm excited to see it.